Alright guys, we're going to do Driving for Dollars, Deal Machine app. All you're going to do is you're going to hit drive, go to free drive. See, so we can drive around, see a house, literally just tap it, add lead if we like that one. And I add them anything that say signs of distress. So see, this neighborhood, it's a nice neighborhood, but a lot of the houses are a lot older. So we're really looking for any signs of distress. That white one looks like they're doing some work. That one looks newer.
It's on the other side, so it's fine.
Yeah, it's that one over here. It's a little bit older. Nothing really jumping out. Yeah, and some of the things to look for is like, tall grass, looking for bad paint, anything that just looks dated or just makes the house stick out. Jumping out. Yeah, stuff are nicer neighborhoods. You don't see as many, but I mean that's really ideal. I mean, if we can get a home run, is we find a nice, a beat up one in a nice neighborhood.
On the left or right?
Go right. I think right gets out of here.
The fence looks pretty bad.
But you can see here, that's track. This one here, yeah. So the fence, that's a great sign. So we're gonna add this one. This one's 2202. Again, just click it. Click it, and then add lead, and then boom, that easy. Let's see, just hit add lead, and then they're gonna go to a database, and then I filter them when I get back. So that one was beat up too. So we're gonna add that one. So again, just add lead. Oh, missed it. Yeah, add lead, boom. Yellow one's just kind of ugly, so I might just add that one. So that's 2934. Come back to here. That one's part of a trust, but still reach out to them.
Why don't you want to trust people?
Really, dude, it's harder to skip trades.
That looks dirty.
Yeah. What, 2119 or?
Not too bad.
I don't want to say something. No. This one's 2911, looks like a good one. Yeah, and the cool thing here, you can see where you've already driven to, so you don't have to keep it in the same ones. So we need 11, and then boom. Again, add lead. Yeah, that easy. Boom. Yeah, so old car is beat up. That's just a telltale sign. A bunch of cars there. So 2902. Yeah, it's a bit of a guessing game. I mean, it's not an exact science, but the more that we can narrow it down, the more targeted we can be with our marketing. That one looks old, 2918. And again, boom, Tammy Hooker, the other one.